G'day all, I want to show you these. This is Pixi sticks from TNT Fireworks. Now there's 4 in a pack and it's $7.99 for the pack. These are handheld sparkler fountains, so I just want to show you one. And they're available in store. Okay, and this is how they go. Handheld, new into the country this year. Kids will love them. I would have loved these when I was a kid. If I had had these as a kid, my mum wouldn't have had to cut holes in the bottoms of my pockets to have something to play with. I mean, these are fantastic. Look at these. Long lasting. Oh, they're called wizard wands or Pixi sticks. Depends what you want to call them. Aren't they great? On sale in our shop in Halstead in Essex. Pixi sticks. Look at them go.